The speaker's under here. Oh, I see it. Got it, yeah. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So, what's your name? What's in here, man?
Curtis.
Curtis, all right. Nice to meet you, man.
Sundown, full Sundown build, Sundown SAs on 3,500 watt Sundown.
Okay.
Just really little shit.
That's all good. Any upgraded electrical, alternator, battery, anything?
So I got 2 ATMs underneath toolbox.
Okay.
I'm about to put my dual alternator on it.
Okay.
There's the under seat box built too.
Okay. I was about to say.
It's a fucking mess. I'll work out of this motherfucker.
It's all right. I was just trying to see where the subs were. They're down there?
Down facing.
Oh, okay.
Sealed. Not ported yet.
Okay.
Still trying to figure out port lengths and all that.
Where's the amp at?
Behind the seat.
It is? Okay. It's an under seat system. Nice. All right. I wish I could see actually the box, kind of see how it was laid out, but it's underneath the seat. It's going to be kind of hard to do that.
Well, we can open up side doors.
Okay. Nice.
Right now it's 5 cubic foot up underneath the seat.
Okay. And you built this?
Yeah. That's pretty good for an under seat box.
Yeah. And the subs are down fired. How does that work for, I'd have to see when you open the doors. Yeah. All right, is there a way I can see kind of the side of the box? Look at how it looks a little bit. All right. So this kind of slid in underneath?
Yeah.
Okay. And you got one under each side?
Yeah.
Okay. And the amp's right there. All right.
Oh, that's a junk ass amp. That's
Okay.
a 4-channel amp.
And the other one's behind? Okay.
It's way the fuck in the middle.
Got it. What was the amp wired to? The impedance on it?
1 amp.
Okay. And the speaker's under here. Oh, I see it. Got it, yeah. How did you, okay, I see the chamfer space so it doesn't hit the carpet.
No.
All right.
And it's held up by snuff cans.
Hey, that works. This video is sponsored by NVX, and today I have a quick bass spare tire amplifier and subwoofer system, the QBS-TA 11-inch sub rated at 300 watts RMS from NVX. It has a built-in 300 watt RMS amplifier and mounts directly to the hub of spare tires. The frequency range it plays is 30 to 150 Hz, has a top-mount amplifier control for ease of tuning, and a wired bass level control as needed. Check out all links in the description to learn more, and shout out to NVX for sponsoring this video. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Nice. Good little daily driver.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Curtis.
Curtis. All right, Curtis. Thanks for showing me, man.
Latest.
You have a good day.
Still a work in progress, but place.
Yeah, man. Nice to meet you. Appreciate the demo.